Ray is, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I forgot. I thought it was just someone. Don't be the man I need. Mr. Sweet. Yan ako, ma. Mag-live sa ako. Ikaw na, bari ka ang to. Hi, Wings. How are you? Siya na to. Kalimutan ko yung name niya. Hindi na kami friends anymore. So don't be shy. Andito pala yung ano ko. Yung spy ko. Hi, Sre. Si ano. Andito pala si ano. Malunggay. Andito siya. Hi, Shreya. How to read your name? Gracias. Thank you, Wings. Don't like. Thank you, Wings. Hi, Sri. Hindi ako lagi this week. So zombie siya. Outfit check. Kasi may magsabi na naman outfit check. Hindi outfit check natin sila. Malunggay! Oh, andito ka. Kanina ka pa. Hello, Robert. So don't be shy. Kakarating lang, sakto pasok ko. Oo. Gusto mo ulitin ko? Hindi mo ko sinusupport. Hindi ka nag-recharge. Bigyan mo lang ako ng Gcash. Hi, Chuck. Oo. Support mo ako. Sabihin mo sa kanila. Hinutusan na naman kita. Utusan na kita. Hi, Chuck. Good evening. Good morning. Good evening to you. How are you, Chuck? Outfit check. Thank you, Chuck. Thank you very much, my dear. Okay, let's outfit check. Who want outfit check? Oo, Gcash na. Outfit. Wait, I'm wearing short hair. I'm not short and panty. Yes. Where are you from, Chuck? Talk to me. Kalami oran. Ayaw pagsaba-saba diha. Bakit ako hindi mag-ingay? Hi, Zoy. Bakit hindi Chuck, can you kiss me and I kiss you? Let's kiss each other. Kiss each other. Can I add you somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Piket. Visit ka, Chok. You're Pinoy. Sige. Wait lang. Hello, ini-English kita ha. Tapos,
Paduol mo dito, kimaanin mo.